I'm gonna cook some solar oven brownies. And let's see here what I got. 3 eggs, half cup of oil, quarter cup of water, 13 by 9 pan, bowl to mix it all up in, and my mix here. So I'm gonna go out and move my solar oven out into the sun and get it heated up. And I'll be back in and put this all in that bowl and get her mixed up. And the first thing I gotta do is go out and grease this pan here. Let me get that done. I'll be right back. All right, there's a brownie mix. There's 1 egg. 2 egg. 3 egg. Got the oil. The water. Now I'm gonna mix. All right, that looks pretty good. I'm gonna dump it in there, but I'm gonna need 2 hands because I'll have to kind of scoop this out of here, the last little drip. But it's going in there, and then I'll see you out at the solar oven. We'll see how hot it's got. All right, it's at right around, what is that, 250 or so? And it'll probably get up to 300 here pretty quick. So I'm gonna give this, I think I'll give it about an hour. I'll come out and the way you test it to see if it's done is you come out with a toothpick and just stick a toothpick in there, and if it comes out clean, then it's cooked all the way through. So I'm gonna give it 1 hour. We'll be back. Well, it's been 45 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and check this now. It's 300, about 325. Okay, let's see here. Oh no, it's nowhere near. Yeah. It's gonna be good when it's done though. All right, I'm gonna give it another 20 minutes. I'm gonna re-aim this. Back in 20 minutes. All right. It's 320 or so. Give it another pokety poke here. Oh yeah, we done. All right, now I'm gonna get, it's gonna take 2 hands to get this out of there, so I'll see you in the house. You want yours hot? Okay, well, if they're still a little bit too hot to cut, give me about 10 minutes. Your ice, I'll have to go get you some ice cream. Okay, I'm gonna give this about 10 minutes to cool. Sorry, I don't have ice cream.
Well, thank you very much.
You try now.
Yeah, Sunny would like one with you, Sunny.
You taste. It's good, yeah?
Oh, it looks good. They're like, hard on top, not hard, but
No talking. Taste. No soup for you.
okay, go away.
Oh, sorry, I forget how bright that thing is.
Okay, go
All right,
away.
it's out. Go ahead, try it. I'm not watching you eat. I'm watching the dogs.
Very good.
Good?
Yeah.
Does it taste like solar and love?
It tastes like you cooked them in the oven, and they're very good. Yeah, I taste the love.
Okay,
yes.
good deal. All right, I'm gonna go eat mine.
Ooey
Solar.
gooey love.
Ooey gooey love. Solar oven brownies. All American solar oven. If you want one, you can get one below. $70 off. All right. I don't have any ice cream, but that would go good on this. Thanks for watching, y'all. I just wanted to warn everyone, these they call them atomic fireballs, but really, they're crack. Believe me, they're crack. And I even caught myself trying to break into my own house to get a microwave to take to the pawn shop so I could buy more. Stay away from these. They're crack.
You save it, dog.
Homeless pies. Homeless pies. Oh, look at that sad face on that thing. Let's take it home.
Okay. Okay, just so everybody knows, I do not like apple pie.
She doesn't like apple pie, so I'm forced to raise these all by myself. Welcome to your new home. You just sit there and get used to being here, and maybe later we'll put some vanilla ice cream on you.